I've been exploring the OpenTable for Restaurants app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the OpenTable for Restaurants app. First, let's talk about what OpenTable for Restaurants actually offers. It's a restaurant management and marketing app built for owners and managers, helping you fill more seats, manage reservations, and stay on top of guest activity from both iPhone and iPad. The idea is straightforward. You get cloud-based front-of-house tools for table and guest management, plus the ability to monitor cover trends, kick off marketing campaigns, and receive VIP notifications while you're away from the host stand. Now, let's get into the interface and day-to-day use. On mobile, the app focuses on giving you a clear view of reservations, basic stats, and a newer table view mode that many operators find genuinely useful for staying organized on the go. Some users do mention that the phone version still lacks a few options compared to the full system, like deeper access to the guest database or more flexible table status updates in real time. The good news is that recent updates have brought minor bug fixes and incremental improvements, and the iPad experience is better suited for full shift planning and floor management. Finally, let's be honest about the downsides and issues. The overall rating sits around 4 stars, which suggests most restaurants are satisfied, but there are recurring complaints. People point out things like frequent signouts, missing advanced controls on mobile, and broader industry frustrations, such as how multiple diner reservations can affect planning, even though OpenTable has started adding safeguards on the diner side. So if you already use OpenTable, this app is a solid companion, but if you're expecting every desktop feature on your phone, you might find a few gaps that still need polishing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.